Okay, so we're going to go back through this. We're going to start on project UberHQ. I'm building a local command center for all of that, for all of project UberHQ. Project UberHQ is several mini companies along the way, but this is for a local command center for all the projects, and this channel is where I'm going to document the projects. The process. How's that? Process. Alright. The problem is not that there are too few tools. There's plenty of tools. The problem for me, anyway, is that every tool wants to become the center of the universe. So I've had a problem with every tool wanting to solve every problem. So I'm trying to get to where I have very specific tools that solve problems, and then agents will bring them together. It's very specific and not just, yeah. Anyway. Why does the project exist? My curiosity really started having fun with it. So, then let's see. Here we go. Core operations in boop Noco base. So Noco base is where kind of the brain, where it's keeping up with everything. Oh, that's UberTube. Sorry. Here, let's go to core operations. So core operations, this is for all of them. So for UberTube, UberCoach, UberGamer, UberClone, UberFaith, UberTrade. So this tells me where I am, what tasks I have, automation logs, credential references, so on and so forth. Keeps track of everything, keeps everything together overall. So, and then yeah, we're going over to UberTrade. That's kind of the brain for UberTube is here. So, yep. Yep, there's UberTube. Alright. So then we get to the public window, which is going to be the YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel was created by AI. Let it do it itself. I just read over it, said, okay, I'm okay with that. So let's go with that and see how that works. So everything was created by AI. I'm going to continue to let it create and go. And it's just kind of like this video here. It said, hey, I would feel better if we would do this for the first time or two. So I said, okay, let's do it. So here we go. So kind of just training it just like you would any other employee. Alright. And it's for the public use, so that way people can see what's going on, what I'm doing, what's going on the channel, where we are. There's some pretty exciting things happening with AI. And so, yep. Back here, automation rule: capture the work, map the process, add approval gates, test manually, automate boring parts. So it'll all eventually get automated, but I'm taking my time doing it right, so it can be scaled. What comes next? This is, like I say, the build log. Comes template, script, thumbnail, recording plan. This is what we're going to do with the UberTube anyway for now. We'll see what comes of the rest of it. So, yeah. Building this up, and we'll see how it goes. Awesome.